how to archive and unarchive Instagram post. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can archive and unarchive your Instagram posts. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Instagram account, and this is where you will get. You will have to open up your profile. So I'm just going to click on this option and it will open up my profile. And you can see these are my posts, and then I'll show you how to unarchive them. So I'm just going to select this one right here. So you just open up the photo that you want to archive, and then you're going to click on these three dots above, and it will give you this option right here. You can see on third number we have archive. So I'm going to go ahead and click on archive. And there you go. Now that post has been archived and it's no longer available on my profile. I'm going to also go ahead and archive this one. There you go. And it's gone. So now let's go ahead and unarchive them. So for that, you will actually have to click on your name right here. You can see at the top corner of your screen, you will find your username. And then we have this option right here, which is like a drop down. So I'm going to click on this one. So now my posts have been archived. In order to unarchive them, I will click on these three lines at the top right corner. And then it will open up these options for me. We have settings, your activities, saved, and then we have archive at second number. I'm going to click on archive and it will open up my archived stories. So I'm going to actually go to this option right here which says stories archive, and there's like a drop down, and it will allow me to now check my stories archive, post archive, or live archive. So I'm going with post. There you go. These are the posts I archived. So I'm going to click on this one, click on these three dots, and it says show on profile. So I'm going to click on show on profile. This one as well. Click on three dots, show on profile, and it's gone. So I'm just going to go back, refresh the page, and there you go. The posts have been unarchived. So this is how you can go ahead and archive and unarchive your Instagram posts. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.